So the question asked by a viewer is, what, if any, quotas are there for family-based petitions to immigrate to the United States? And so that depends on what type of category you are determined to be. And so for people that are what's called IRs, or immediate relatives of United States citizens, there is a visa readily available for them. Basically, that means that outside of the general processing time, which could take to process a certain green card or what have you, they don't have to wait any longer. And so for this type of petitions, there is no waiting time outside of the regular processing time, which could be sometimes anywhere from 6 to 12 months or 13 months. And so if you have a U.S. citizen child that's over 21, and they're applying for parents, there's no quota for that type of visa or for that type of green card. Again, if you are a U.S. citizen and you are petitioning for your spouse to come to the United States, again, there's no quota for that type of petition, that type of green card. When you get into quotas, which really vary, and you can go to Visa Bulletin and the month, for example, Visa Bulletin, November or December or what have you, and you can Google this and you can see your preference category. Where you get into this kind of quotas is when you step outside of that immediate relative range. And so if you are a green card holder but not a U.S. citizen yet, and you are petitioning for someone to come join you into the United States, there will be a quota. So there's not a visa readily available. If you're petitioning for sister or brother, again, there's a quota. If you are a parent and you're petitioning for your child that's at this point over 21, there's a quota. Again, if they're over 21 and married, the quota continues, and sometimes it could take longer. And so if you step outside of the being a U.S. citizen and being an immediate relative, quotas begin. And in fact, even if you're not a U.S. citizen and you still are petitioning for immediate relatives, there's still a visa that's not readily available, and a quota applies. Okay, so that gives you some of the general scenarios that you deal with when it comes to what type of quotas do family-based petitions have. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the content that we share here, feel free to give us a thumbs up, or if you have any questions or comments, post them below. We appreciate them. Thank you.